If you're looking for an easy, affordable way to organize your closet, then our closet kits are the perfect solution. You can find our closet kits by hovering over the Closets tab and then clicking Closet Kits on the dropdown. Our closet kits will give you a durable, high quality system that's simple to install and fully customizable to fit your needs. I recommend using our filters so you can easily find the products that work best for you. You can search by color. You'll see here we have 4 colors to choose from: white, weathered gray, truffle, and honey blonde. You can also filter by closet selection. You'll see here these are different types of units that we offer, including everything from starter kits to towers to drawers and doors. You can also filter by position, which will give you a nice organized view of all the products. Some of the closet units we offer include hanging towers. Here you can hang your clothes, keeping everything visible and easy to access. We also offer drawer units. This is for concealed storage, perfect for folded items and accessories. We offer shelving kits to maximize vertical space for shoes, bags, and more. And we also have corner units, which make the most of your walk-in closet space. Once you click into each product, you'll see that by scrolling down, we have our dimensions and specs of each item, along with easy to access installation guides. We are able to create a layout for you if you prefer to work with a designer. Simply go back to our Closets tab, select Free Closet Design, and you can fill out this Begin Your Design form. Once we receive this, we'll be in touch shortly to get started.